Hey there, I'm Nick with Markforged's application engineering team, and today we're going to be talking about soft jaws. So what are soft jaws? They're a common solution for holding parts that would otherwise be difficult to fixture with standard jaws during machining or turning operations. So why 3D print your soft jaws? Well, 3D printing can really simplify your manufacturing process. Unlike with CNC machining, there's no CAM programming, there's no tool setup, and there's no stock prep that would otherwise be required with traditional metal soft jaws. 3D printing also doesn't require supervision during the actual printing process, so your people can be doing other critical tasks, and your CNC equipment bandwidth can be used for other operations. There's applications for printed soft jaws all over your shop. Foremost on your mills and lathes, but you can also print soft jaws for use in standalone vices during drilling and tapping operations as well. And the best part is you can print soft jaws for new applications in just a few hours.